Welcome to Umicore Battery Materials in Korea. Umicore Battery Materials Korea, a global materials technology company, creating sustainable value through global materials, technology, and recycling, is committed to ensuring a safe visit for everyone, including employees, visitors, and suppliers. Please follow the guidelines for your own safety. Visitor registration procedures. Before entering the site, first you need to visit the security office to fill out a security and safety pledge. Taking a photo using personal devices is prohibited. After filling out the security and safety pledge, the security office will provide you with a safety vest and security card. Wear the safety vest to prevent collisions with vehicles and forklifts in the site. Safety basic rules. Please follow the instructions of your host in the site. Be sure to hold on to the handrail when walking on stairs. And refrain from using cell phones while walking. Also, follow the designated walking paths. Please be sure to wear a safety vest when walking outside. The driving speed within the site should not exceed 20 kilometers per hour. Smoking is allowed only in designated smoking areas. Personal protective equipment. You will need to wear PPE to visit some areas such as production building, warehouse, or lab. Check the PPE signages posted in front of each entrance to make sure you're wearing the correct PPE. Also, check with your host for any additional PPE that may be required depending on the task or location. Some of the production areas have warning signages of ferromagnetic exposure. If you have pacemakers in your body, do not enter the area that has the warning signages, as it could be dangerous. These are the places that have the ferromagnetic exposure warning. There are many other hazard signages posted around the site, so please pay attention to them. Be aware of forklift beeps, blue lights, and reverse alarms at the warehouse, production buildings, and outside of buildings. You should also keep a 1.5 meter radius around them. If you contact with chemicals, use an emergency shower or saline solution. First aid and AED. AED devices are in place at each sites. If you need first aid, please use an AED and follow the instructions on the AED voice instruction. These are the points where the AED is located. Incident reporting procedures. In the event of an incident, it must be reported immediately in accordance with our internal policies. You need to check the condition of the injured person and contact your host or the EHS team immediately. Emergency situations. In the event of a fire alarm, evacuate through the designated exits and use the stairs, not the elevator, to move safely and quickly. In the event of an emergency, such as a fire, evacuate to the assembly point located in front of the security office at each site. These are the assembly points. Safety work permit. If you visit for working, A work permit must be issued by a trained person and approved by a designated approver. Also, please make sure to follow the safety rules specified in the work permit during the work. End of schedule. If you encounter unsafe situations in the site, fill out an ACE card and submit it to your host. ACE cards are available from your host if needed. You can finalize your visit by visiting the security office at the end. Umicore Battery Materials Korea hopes that you will have a safe visit. Please follow these visitor safety rules for the sustainability of our business. Thank you. Umicore Battery Materials, Korea.